Friday. Sun is actually shining for a change in the UK. Right, I want to show you something. This is a product we developed for South Africa, but a few people said this is a great product for the UK. Well, it comes in a box. You see, it's one box, one carton. Got two versions. We call it a Powerbank 300 and Powerbank 1000. I'll explain what the 300 and the 1000 is, but it doesn't quite relate to the battery size. So it comes in a box. This is an engineer's knife, screwdriver. I have opened this before, so I'm just using this to open it. So what comes in the kit? Everything you need. So if you're going to do your bar, your outbuilding, your bar in the garden, I use that as an example because lots of people are building these bars or a shed, and you've got electricity. So you've got a choice. You can either get a huge armoured cable and bury it to the house. If you've got 10 or 20,000 pounds to spare, then go for it. If you don't want to do that and you just want to have a nice simple system, then this is it, all in one box. So let's open the box up. Big box. The weight is about, the Powerbank 1000 is about 60 kilo. This one is about a little bit lighter. It's still fairly heavy, but it is light. This is about 30 kilo. Don't quote me on it, I'm not 100% sure, but it's pretty much it, because there's a 2-man lift and the other one is also a 2-man lift. Comes with this is the Powerbank 300. Comes with two. These are 100-watt solar panels. You see, nice big solar panel, pre-wired. That's important. You can see, plug and play. It's as simple as that. Plug and play. Let's move one of the panels behind. So we can see what else is in the kit. There's another solar panel put down there. Lithium batteries, lithium-ion batteries, none of those lead-acid batteries, is lithium-ion batteries. Here we have one box which is the accessories, and so the accessories include absolutely everything. You have your roof fixings, your panels, lots of screws and stuff, your connectors for your power cables. There's lots. I'm not going to go into all of that, but that's all your accessories in there. The heart of the unit is the power bank. Now, we call it Powerbank 300 because this is a 300-watt inverter, but it actually includes, in with the kit, we include a kilowatt of lithium. 1,000 watts of lithium ion is included with the kit. So if I lift it out of the box, here it is. Oh, that's the thing. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, this is the unit. This sits out inside your shed. It's waterproof. It'll sit outside if you want to. It's IP rated. Inside this, we fit the batteries. So we actually, in the other pack here, was my knife, my electrician's knife. Most sparks are looking. I bet everybody's done this before today. They certainly have anyway. We got a couple of these batteries. These are 500 watt hour each, and they're actually marked 500 watt hours. There's two of these batteries. These batteries fit inside here, and they actually mount. There's a mounting position, a mounting bracket, so that the batteries fit inside the unit. There's a second battery here into here, and basically they're simple as they just simply plug in, and they plug into the inverter. The inverter has a charge controller. It's not. This is quite special. The thing with the charge controller is what the charge controller does is it basically connects the solar panel, and it allows you to charge the batteries directly from the solar panel. I can plug these things in here. And they actually fit in, and there's mounting brackets and everything else that fit into it. And in fact, if I actually switch it on, it will need, obviously it will need a bit of charging and stuff as it goes on. In fact, I'm not sure you can see the camera, it's lit up blue. And in fact, you see here, the thing is lit up. I'm not sure if you can see. And it's showing that the battery voltage at the moment is running at 22.8 volt. So, you've got the connections on the output. So you've got a DC output. In fact, on this one now, what we do is we've got two panels. So the solar panels plug into the bottom, and we've got an AC. And you connect the AC to a little consumer unit, work your light, work fan, work your telly, work your Wi-Fi. The bigger one, the Powerbank 1000, you can plug your refrigerator into it, and it'll run a small bar fridge, and it'll run. So this will, outside office, I see loads of these things being built everywhere. So this is the perfect companion. You know, I'll talk about price-wise. This one is about Our list price, and obviously you need to discuss with your electrical wholesaler any discounts or whatever, but our list prices for the whole kit, everything, panels, batteries, everything is about 600, and the other one's around about 1,000 at this price. The Powerbank 1000, we call it 1,000, but it actually includes 2,000 watts of lithium, so it's 2 kilowatt of lithium, and it has a 1,000 watt inverter, lots of other features. So you need to look at the both of them. These are fantastic products. If you are building a bar in your garden, you've got to go for it. You know, it's simple as one kit, one box gives you power. Simple. You know, we obviously got other uses for it, but you know, I'll have one of these installed in the next few days. I'll try and install one, and I'll show you how it's installed and I'll show you how it works. But it's a nice piece of product. You know, it's so simple. You haven't got to have batteries separately and wiring it all together. You see, actually plugged it in, it's working now. And it's not even installed. So you don't need to do anything. Everything is all done. There's no separate wires. The panels are pre-wired, just simply plug in. In fact, if you see here, if you look on the panel has a socket, and the socket just simply plugs into the bottom, and that's it. It's that simple. The Powerbank, the other one, the Powerbank 1000, we just do it. We give the roller cable so you can cut your own, because obviously it's got more panels, and the Powerbank 1000 actually has 500 watts a panel. This one's got 200 watts a panel, and it's got all the fixings. And you haven't got to think, oh, how to mount it, how am I going to fix it? Everything's there. So have a look at it if you're building your bar in the garden or your office. So thanks for watching.